How to change damper control from auto mode to manual mode in IQ4E Controller. Other controller setting videos are available in the Trend Controller Settings playlist, link in the description. Welcome to the Xcite Control System YouTube channel. To control dampers manually in a Honeywell Trend IQ4E controller, you need to override the automatic operation. First, find your controller's IP address and enter it into your web browser. Press Enter to open the controller homepage. After a few seconds, the controller homepage, IQ4E, will appear. Click on the Modules option to view all controller settings on the left side. Select Sensors to display the current humidity and temperature values. Refresh the page to update and verify the sensor readings. Scroll down the page and select the Switches option. This will display the damper auto manual settings. In this example, W3 is used as the damper auto manual switch. The W3 switch is currently in the off state. Condition: when W3 is off, the damper operates in auto mode. When W3 is on, the damper operates in manual mode. Scroll up the page and select the driver's option. This will display the positions of the return air, fresh air, and exhaust air dampers. The D6 RAD damper module status is currently normal. Condition: when the status is normal, the damper is in auto mode. When the status is overridden, the damper is in manual mode. Go back to the Switches option and select the W3 damper auto manual switch. Set it to on and click the tick mark to confirm. A value write successful message will appear. Then select the driver's option again. The D6 RAD damper will now be in manual mode. In this system, the damper position is determined by its value. When the D6 RAD damper value is 0, the damper is fully closed, while the D7 FAD and EAD dampers at 100 indicate they are fully open. Conversely, when the D6 RAD damper value reaches 100, it means the damper is fully open, and the D7 FAD and EAD dampers at 0 are completely closed. Additionally, if the D6 RAD damper module status shows overridden, this indicates that the damper is operating in manual mode rather than automatic control. Damper adjustment procedure. To adjust the damper position, first ensure that manual mode is activated. Next, navigate to the knob section and locate the damper manual value parameter identified as K9 in this controller. Select the K9 damper manual value field, enter your desired value, for example 100, and confirm by clicking the tick icon. Now go to the driver section to verify the damper position. At 100%, the RAD damper is fully open, while the FAD and EAD dampers are fully closed. To adjust the damper to a different position, repeat the same process. Return to the knob section, set the K9 value to 50, and confirm the change. Then navigate back to the driver section to verify that the damper position has updated accordingly. Important note: finally, go to the Switches section and change the status from on to off, then confirm. This action switches the system from manual mode back to auto mode, where operation is controlled automatically based on sensor temperature values. All parameters may vary depending on the controller's programming configuration. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.